so it says the circles in the model represent positive and negative units. Which equation is true based on the model? Select 2 correct answers. So now having this right here, I really need to focus on the key. So the key says every white dot or every white circle, it is a positive 1, and every black dot that I have is going to be a negative 1. All right, so then that means I need to work with this right here. So how many positives do I have in total? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write positive 5 right here. Positive 5. And then I'm just going to write my expression right here on the side because I know I'm working with positive 5 first. Now I have my negatives. So I need to know how many negatives I have. So I have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So I have -6. Okay. So -6. So now we gotta know, there's a couple ways to write this, right? So one way for me to write it is this way. Another way I can write it is, again, I can kind of see that my answer choices, that they solved it out. So then that means I need to double check what this may be. Okay, so in order to do that, I can just use the picture I have right here. Remember, when I have a positive and a negative of equal value, they cancel out. So that means this cancels out, these cancel out, these cancel out, these cancel out, and I'm left with one negative, so this should give me -1. Okay, now another way that I can write this part, this beginning part, is I can keep my 5. And I can keep the negative because I need to, the -6. I can add something in between of this, and that is a plus symbol. And I know this sometimes looks confusing to you guys, so then that means I can have this 5 plus, but I can put a parenthesis around the -6 to really pay attention that this is a -6. But all 3 of these mean the exact same thing, and they should all give me the exact same answer. So they're all equal to -1. So now looking at my answer choices here, I can cancel right away which answer choice to where it does not give me a -1. So such as A, because I have a +1. I can take away E, because again it has +1, and now I'm left with these negatives. So now I have to pay attention to my expression part right here. Okay, so I have 5 plus parentheses -6. Do I have that? I have this one right here, and this one is a correct choice. Okay, now I have this one, -5 plus -6. We never once talked about a -5, so this one is incorrect, and I'm going to cancel that right here, or I'm going to cross it out. Now my last one, I have 5 minus 6 is equal to -1, and I have this one right here, 5 minus 6 is equal to -1, and that is my D. So these two are my choices, my answer choices, okay? If you need help, please ask your teacher, and we'll come around and help you.